NFL Commissioner Roger Goodell has handed off Deshaun Watson's discipline case to a lawyer with league connections and expertise in domestic violence and sexual assault. Goodell chose former New Jersey Attorney General Peter C Harvey on Thursday to hear the league's appeal of the 6-game suspension without pay given to Cleveland's quarterback, whose playing status hangs in the balance. Watson was suspended this week by independent disciplinary officer Sue L. Robinson, who concluded he violated the league's personal conduct policy after being accused of sexual misconduct by 24 women in Texas. The league, which had been pushing for an indefinite suspension for Watson, wanted further discipline and appealed Robinson's ruling on Wednesday. Watson had just finished practice and was still on the field when he learned of the league's move. Under the collective bargaining agreement, the appeal gave power back to Goodell to enact punishment, something he's done routinely during his tenure, but he instead chose Harvey, currently a partner at a law firm in New York, to hear the appeal. With a background in criminal law, Harvey has advised the NFL and other professional sports leagues on the development and implementation of workplace policies, including the league's personal conduct policy. Harvey has served as Goodell's designee in other arbitrations, and he's a member of the league's Diversity Advisory Committee, created to improve racial and gender diversity across the NFL. In 2017, Harvey was one of 4 members of an expert panel who reviewed the league's domestic violence investigation into Dallas Cowboys running back Ezekiel Elliott, who was suspended 6 games for violating the conduct policy. Goodell chose a designee to handle Watson's case because he wanted an expert in the field who can focus solely on this matter, a person familiar with Harvey's appointment told the Associated Press. The person spoke on condition of anonymity because it's an internal matter. Goodell is busy with Hall of Fame weekend festivities in Canton, Ohio, and the upcoming league meeting on Tuesday. There is no timeline for when Harvey will hear the appeal. According to the league's personal conduct policy, it must be done on an expedited basis. Due in part to a public outcry that the suspension was too light, the league appealed Robinson's decision and wants Watson disciplined further. The NFL's appeal addresses whether, based on the findings made by Judge Robinson, the discipline should be modified to include a professional evaluation and